Nobody has scrapped Linda Mama. But what have we done? We have enhanced the cover of Linda, of the mother, and added the family. And if you think Linda Mama was a big thing for you, how come it has not reduced the maternal mortality rate in our country? This is an agenda the president and myself want to start now. We have 20 counties that we feel the maternal mortality rates are high. So if your Linda Mama was good, then how come the maternal mortality rates, and these are not figures, even the World Health Organization will agree with me, but we enhanced. What have we enhanced? Because we don't lie. We have enhanced, we have included antenatal, postnatal, delivery, and we have given the whole family that package. In fact, all teenage mothers in our country, if they deliver, they will deliver free. What does that mean? Under President William Ruto, we have introduced a more integrated system with financial protection to all families.